Best companies to invest. Welcome to AsadTech Edge. If you're looking for the best investment opportunities in 2025 and beyond, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the top companies that are shaping the future and could be great investment options. Stay tuned. Why investing in the right companies matters. Investing wisely can secure your financial future. With the rapid rise of AI, renewable energy, and tech innovation, the right investments today can yield significant returns tomorrow. Let's dive into the top companies leading the charge. Apple AAPL, the innovation giant. Apple remains one of the most valuable and stable companies in the world, making it a strong investment option. With a loyal customer base and a diversified product lineup including iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, Apple Watches, and AirPods, Apple continues to generate massive revenue. The company is also expanding into artificial intelligence AI and augmented reality AR. With the Apple Vision Pro and AI-powered features in iOS, its services segment, which includes Apple Music, iCloud, and the App Store, contributes significantly to recurring revenue. Apple has a history of steady dividend payments and stock buybacks, making it attractive for both growth and income investors. However, it faces challenges such as reliance on iPhone sales and regulatory scrutiny over its App Store policies. Microsoft MSFT, IA and cloud powerhouse. Microsoft is a technology giant with a stronghold in cloud computing, AI, and enterprise software. Its Azure cloud platform is a key competitor to Amazon Web Services (AWS), powering businesses worldwide. Microsoft's investment in OpenAI has given it a leadership position in AI, integrating ChatGPT into products like Bing and Office 365. Additionally, its acquisition of Activision Blizzard strengthens its gaming business, positioning Xbox as a dominant force in the industry. With consistent revenue growth, strong leadership under Satya Nadella, and a focus on AI-driven innovation, Microsoft is a solid long-term investment. The risks include competition in the cloud market and regulatory scrutiny over its acquisitions. Tesla TSLA, the EV and AI disruptor. Tesla is not just an electric vehicle EV company. It is an AI-driven technology powerhouse. Led by Elon Musk, Tesla dominates the EV market with its high-performance electric cars and self-driving technology. The company's full self-driving FSD software continues to improve with AI advancements, making Tesla a leader in autonomous driving. Beyond cars, Tesla is expanding into energy solutions with solar panels, battery storage systems, and plans to revolutionize the energy sector. With increasing global demand for EVs and Tesla's aggressive expansion into new markets, the stock remains a strong bet for the future. However, it faces risks such as competition from other EV makers and regulatory challenges related to self-driving technology. NVIDIA and semiconductor leader. NVIDIA is at the heart of the AI revolution, making it one of the best stocks to invest in. Its graphics processing units GPUs are the backbone of AI training models, powering everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. The company has also expanded into cloud computing, gaming, and AI chips used in data centers. NVIDIA's dominance in high-performance computing gives it a significant competitive advantage. As demand for AI processing continues to grow, its stock has surged in recent years, driven by the AI boom. However, potential risks include supply chain disruptions and increased competition from companies like AMD and Intel. Amazon AMZN, e-commerce and cloud giant. Amazon is a tech conglomerate with multiple revenue streams, making it a strong long-term investment. While it dominates the e-commerce industry, its real powerhouse is Amazon Web Services (AWS), the world's largest cloud computing platform. AWS provides businesses with cloud storage, AI solutions, and enterprise services, driving significant revenue. Amazon is also investing heavily in AI-powered logistics and automation, using robotics to enhance its supply chain. Additionally, its digital advertising and Prime Video streaming business continue to grow. While Amazon remains a top stock, investors should be aware of challenges, such as regulatory scrutiny and rising competition in e-commerce and cloud computing. Alphabet, Google, AI and digital dominance. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is a technology powerhouse with a strong presence in AI, digital advertising, and cloud computing. Google Search remains the most widely used search engine, generating billions in ad revenue annually. YouTube is another major revenue driver, with its growing premium content and ad-based monetization. Alphabet is investing heavily in AI through its DeepMind division and the Gemini AI chatbot, competing with OpenAI and Microsoft. Google Cloud is another key growth area, providing enterprise AI solutions. While Alphabet remains a top investment choice, risks include increasing competition in AI and regulatory challenges related to privacy and antitrust issues. Meta, the metaverse and AI evolution. Meta, formerly Facebook, is evolving beyond social media into AI and the metaverse. With billions of active users across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Meta continues to dominate digital advertising. The company is also investing heavily in AI-driven chatbots and business automation tools. However, its biggest bet is on the metaverse, where it aims to build a virtual reality VR ecosystem through its Oculus division. While the metaverse is still in its early stages, Meta's AI investments are already showing results. Despite facing challenges like declining ad revenues and regulatory scrutiny, Meta remains a solid investment due to its AI innovation and social media dominance. Berkshire Hathaway BRK. Of Warren Buffett's safe bet, Berkshire Hathaway, led by legendary investor Warren Buffett, is a diversified investment powerhouse. Unlike tech companies, Berkshire invests in multiple sectors, including insurance, energy, consumer goods, and banking. Its portfolio includes major holdings in Apple, Coca-Cola, and American Express, providing stability and long-term growth. The company's strategy focuses on buying strong, undervalued businesses and holding them for the long term. With a proven track record of outperforming the market, Berkshire Hathaway is a great choice for investors seeking stability. However, the stock is expensive, and its performance depends on Buffett's investment decisions. Bonus: emerging companies to watch. In addition to these established giants, several emerging companies are poised for massive growth. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, is leading the AI revolution with ChatGPT. Anthropic, another AI startup, is gaining traction with its AI safety-focused models. In the renewable energy sector, Tesla's solar division and NextEra Energy are making breakthroughs in sustainable power solutions. Additionally, space tech companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin could become major investment opportunities if they go public. These emerging companies present high-risk, high-reward investment potential, making them worth watching. Final words: investing in the right companies can secure your financial future, especially in fast-growing sectors like AI, cloud computing, and EVs. While the stocks mentioned above have strong growth potential, it's always important to do your own research and assess risks before investing. Which company do you think has the highest potential for future growth? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Asad Tech Edge for more investment and tech insights.